'Tis the season to be jolly, right? This video is really special because I had a chance to take part in the LEGO Holiday series, where I and 13 other creators built a winter themed build and showcased it here on YouTube. I personally built a simple winter village. There's quite a bit to take a look at here, and we'll start from the building on the left. When designing this model, I was going for more of a middle-aged style building, with a bright color choice for the first floor. Around the building, I made sure to add some significant details, including some arch pieces, plants, textured pieces, and plates to give this model some character and age. I also added a dark bluish gray fireplace with a chimney going all the way up to the roof, where I used hinge plates to give the roof that slight angle. Oh, and also I put all sorts of white plates and tiles to represent snow. I built this MOC in a dollhouse style unlike the modular line that I usually go with, just to try out something different. In the first floor, as the sign represents, it is a barber shop. Inside of there is a removable shelf with some sort of shampoos and whatnot. There is a chair and a custom reflecting mirror. The second floor is a studio apartment. As the space was limited, I can only add so much to the interior, but what I managed to add I think it matches the rest of the build. Inside of the apartment there's a colorful modern rug using some modified tiles. There's a bookshelf and a painting on the left, and finally there's a modern bed. And the roof had some extra space, so I was like, let's just add some barrels and crates to the attic. The building on the right is a toy store and another apartment. For the outside of the building, I tried to go for some natural tones and use some interesting building techniques to match the rest of the MOC, such as the fireplace using some snot bricks and tiles. Inside of the toy store, there's a mini custom train that you can see outside the window. There's also a cash register and a shelf full of some party supplies. The apartment on the top of the toy store has a well-rounded interior, with a desk and lamp, a cozy fireplace, yellow flowers, and a red mid-century bed. For the base of this MOC, I built a black outline to give this model a clean look. I also added a sidewalk, snow all over the build, and an ice skating rink that I built using a blue door glass panel. Also, I don't know what this girl's doing outside without a coat. That about wraps it up for this MOC. I had fun adding all these little details to the build. Make sure to check out that playlist in the description where you can see what the other LEGO creators have built. See you in the next one.